As your photo collection grows, how do you manage it efficiently? Find what you need quickly and share it with others. Photos 2.0 helps you organize every photo in a smarter way. In this series, we'll walk you through everything from the interface to the core features step by step. First, on your computer client, open the App Center, find the Photos app and click Install. Follow the setup guide to complete the installation. Once it's done, click the Photos icon to get started. Once inside, let's start with a quick look at the overall interface. First of all, you need to set the folders linked to the Photos app. This allows photos and videos stored on your NAS to appear in the Photos. In Settings, open Folder Scope and click the plus button on the right. Administrators can select folders to link to the Photos app. Once scanning is complete, the photos will appear in the library. Personal folder display linked personal folder paths. Click the plus icon to add a new personal folder as an photo source. Shared folder display linked shared folder paths and their user permissions, allowing administrators to add new shared folders and manage access permissions. Click Scan to manually detect new photos in the selected folders. Click the three-dot icon next to a folder to set it as the default folder or remove it. After a folder is set as default, newly uploaded photos will be stored there automatically. In General Settings, you can configure basic display and management options. Choose between square or original aspect ratio and decide whether to show photo provider. For duplicates, you can set actions such as ask each time, skip, overwrite, or rename. You can also control whether to show the folder view and allow standard users to share photos. In Intelligent Settings, administrators can enable or disable various AI models, including face recognition with adjustable parameters, text recognition, duplicate photo recognition, pet detection, sensitive content detection, image recognition with adjustable parameters. Reprocessing is also supported. In sharing management, administrator can view and manage all internal and external sharing links. This includes editing, stop sharing, or clearing expired ones in bulk. In Friend Upload Management, administrator can manage upload links shared with others. You can edit, delete, clear expired links, and sort them by time. Use refresh icon to manually update the current page. After completing the basic settings, let's go back to the library page. At the top navigation bar, click the search bar to look for photos by file name, device, location, time, or even scene descriptions. For example, enter UGREEN and the system will return matching results. Use the plus button on the right to upload photos and videos to a default or target folder. You can also create a new album and generate a share link to invite others to contribute. Use the zoom slider to adjust the size of photo thumbnails on the current page. Filtering and sorting options vary depending on the page. On the Library and Favorites page, you can filter by type, such as photos, videos, GIFs, or live photos. You can also separate personal and shared files, and sort by recording time or recently uploaded time. Advanced filters include device, lens, focal length, exposure time, aperture, ISO, and so on. Use the buttons in the top right corner to minimize, maximize, or exit the photos interface. The left navigation bar gives you access to a range of features for browsing and managing your photos. In Library, you can view all the photos and videos. The folder view lets you browse content by directory. You can download files, add them to albums, invite others to upload photos, or change the folder cover. The smart categorization automatically identifies and organizes photos and videos in the library based on the intelligent recognition models enabled initially, sorting them into people, location, objects, and custom categories. Favorites shows all the photos and videos you've marked as favorites. In personal albums, you can create, view, and edit your own albums, including common albums, conditional albums, and baby albums. Shared albums lets you manage albums you've shared and those shared with you. Similar and duplicate detection requires a model download. Once enabled, it helps identify and clean up similar or duplicate photos and videos in bulk.